I'm here today in sunny Gulfport, Florida with Wesley, the owner and inventor of Expandacraft modular hulls. He's coming up on his latest invention, which is a 14-foot skiff, and it's made out of 3-inch foam panels that have aluminum on the outside. So they're structured insulated panels. That's the bottom of the boat, and then the sides of the boat are made out of starboard. It's all riveted together and given rigidity with an aluminum frame. And then he's got the 12-foot Outrigger kit from Expandacraft. So that's 6 parts, 4 bow stern parts, 2 center parts. He's got high risers on there with the 8-foot cross tubes, and
this is half throttle. I'm gonna motor up.
He's got 4 6-foot aluminum deck planks on there as well. This boat we built for the rental business to be used for people to take out on flat water like rivers and lakes, mangroves, things like that. He's got a 55-pound thrust electric motor on it. He can get up to about 6 knots. You could put a larger motor on it, but for his purposes, the rentals, we don't want people going crazy. We don't want them going too fast and ramming into docks at 30 miles an hour. So we've got a 55-pound thrust electric motor on it, and it moves through the water quite nicely. He's got the back of it open so that if a wave comes over or you get any water in it, the water just rushes right back out. You can see it's fairly agile. Turns around. We were just in it in the mangroves, and we went as shallow as 8 inches of water. If you pulled the electric motor up, you could go even shallower. It drafts about 4 inches, so it's a very good flats boat. You can see it's got plenty of room for fishing, very stable. You could get up and stand up out on those platforms and cast. You could cast net from it, but it's a really good, durable boat. Very quiet. You're not going to disturb the fish when you're out there. And the motor, we've been going on it for about an hour, and it's still at 100%. It doesn't show any battery drainage whatsoever. I'm sure there is some, but it goes in increments. So you could really go all day long fishing on this thing. Right now he's got just basically a camping chair on there, but you could set it up with a nice swivel chair with a cushion. You could outfit it however you want with fishing gear, coolers, things like that. It'll hold 2 people. It's a 14-footer. He's also going to make it in a 16-foot model and a 20-foot model. So you'll have, it'll go along with the 16-foot Outrigger kit and the 20-foot Outrigger kit if you wanted to do that. Yep. Oh, and that's about what happens when you're using this as a rental and your renters crash into a dock. That's about all that's going to happen. Yeah. So, this is the first day that we've had this boat out, and it's doing quite well.
What we go over like 8 inches before we still have plenty of room.
And you can see he's got
4 inches of draft.
He's got a couple of buckets of water up front there in place of me to balance out the load. So he weighs 200 something. I weigh 100 and something.
You're being nice.
Yeah. Really, you could put 450 pounds of people, and then
it probably displaces 800-900 pounds.
Yeah, so 800-900 pounds of displacement. If you wanted more displacement, you could, instead of the aluminum decking, you could put some netting on there or something, even more foam as the decking.
The 18-footer.
Or you could upgrade to the 18-footer and get some more out of it.
This is only the 14.
And this skiff is going to be a build-it-yourself kit, so you'll get the pre-cut pieces that you then rivet together. And
only need 2 tools, a drill gun and a rivet gun to put this skiff together. together.
Right. And you can do it in a day. You can put this thing together in a day, no problem. So,
With a helper. Parent-child project in the backyard of the garage.
right now, this is just
It's unfinished. These should be finished.
right. They'll have end caps on the deck planks if you were to get the kit. So right now, this is just a prototype. If you're interested, I would suggest giving Wesley a call. It's not yet for sale on the website, but if you give Wesley a call at 813-810-2554, he'll be happy to talk to you about it. He'll be happy to sell you the prototype, or he'll be happy to build you a kit that's a 14-foot, a 16-foot, or a 20-foot. So please,
Be right round, baby. Right
please call him and annoy him. Also go online, watch other videos about the Expandacraft Outrigger kits and how they work, and visit our website. There are tons of articles, videos, lots of information. Go check it out, expandacraft.com.